Welcome to the channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make a Google business profile today. And it's quite easy. So first of all, you want to be logged into your Gmail account. For the purpose of this video, I made a tester just to show you how it's done. And you're going to want to go to business.google.com/create. Once you've entered the link, you're gonna go and put your business name. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna make my business name Skippy Tester. Category will be marketing advertising agency. And you wanna add a location customers can visit, like a store or office. I would recommend you say yes, but if I did that, it would ask me to verify a bunch of stuff. So I'm just gonna say no for the purpose of this video, but I recommend you say yes. And where do you serve your customers? We'll say Toronto. This will pop up a general database of the whole city that you serve. So it won't be one specific location that you'll be in. It'll just be generalized. But then again, remember guys, I said, and I'll say this again, I recommend that you choose a specific location. It'll do way better on your ratings. And for this part, do we need a phone number here? Yes, we do. So you want to put a phone number in there. I'll just add 647-794-9088. You don't need a website. You could put a website if you want. Of course, that'd be better if you do. And you want updates about your business? Of course I do. Let it load. It's creating your account. And in this section here, you guys, you need to verify your mailing address, okay? So this is gonna walk you through the whole process, but just verify everything as you would normally on any other thing that you need to verify your address on, and it'll walk you through step by step on what you have to do. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to say verify later. Now, for our services, we want to be specific. Which kind of services do we provide? Advertising. That's a good service, I guess. We can write digital marketing. If you have a paint shop or something like that, you can write the services that you do. Now, service-based businesses, if you're able to, and if you do, I always recommend making your hours of operation 24 hours, because businesses rank during their hours of operation much higher than during the hours that they're not open, of course. So if you're able to answer calls, or if you have a service-based business where you might have to answer a call in the middle of the night at any point at any time, just make it 24 hours so that you can rank better and you can get more customers that way. You want to say yes to this. You want customers to have the option to send you a live chat message. That is a absolute necessity. And over here, you can let customers learn more about your business by adding a description to your business on search maps and other Google services. So this will help you in your rankings. I would suggest you use every single bit of space in here that you can, because it's really going to help you with those rankings and that little boost in the SEO. Now, I'm not going to write it, of course. This is going to be for you to do. And pictures are so important. And we could have a whole video just on photos and how much of an impact they have. But again, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to skip this, but you know which photos are going to work best for your company based on what you have on your phones and on your cameras. So we'll skip this part again. And here it says, stand out from the competition, start advertising your business with Google Ads. Now, I'm going to create a separate video for Google Ads, but for today, we're just making a Google business profile. So we'll skip that. You could get a custom domain for your website and custom email address. I don't need one right now, so I'll skip it. And your edits will be visible once you're verified. So Google needs to verify that you are actually the person that you say you are. So you're going to get a little message like this. Customers can't see your business information. Get verified to let them find you on Google. So you click this, And again, you're gonna have to go through the process of verification, and you, my friend, will be on Google. When people search on Google Maps, when people search on Google Search, you'll be finally able to show up and get those sweet, sweet free leads. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you guys want, I can make another video after this explaining how to get verified on Google Business Profile. But as far as your Google Business Profile goes, you now have created it. And if you ever get lost and you can't find it, just go to google.com. Since we're logged into our tester account here, all you have to do is go and click on this icon here, and there we go. Google Business Profile Manager is right there for you, and everything you need is right here. But remember, get your account verified first, and then you'll unlock all of its great capabilities. And that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. I'll wrap up the video with a top 10 players, total ad revenue, and CAGR for 2023. Now we can see Alphabet, which is Google's parent company, of course, accounted for 42.4% of the total ad revenues globally. And then it was followed by Meta and Amazon and the other players. But 42% of the total ad revenue of the world was generated through Google. So Google is a top contender. You want to be on Google. It's a must-have in 2024, and I really hope you guys are going to get your Google business profiles up as soon as possible and getting those sweet, sweet free leads. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bedroom from Skippy Marketing, signing out.